Hi, this is a video lesson on Birds Flew Over the Spire, Part 2. So, Part 2 is starting at bar 14, which is on line 4. So it starts off with a low E, a G sharp, and a B. So it goes E, G sharp, low B, played with your open B, and a E. Then our first finger moves up one to A. We have a third finger on a C sharp, and a pinky is going to tuck right underneath it onto the F sharp. So you play the A, third finger C sharp, F sharp, B. So this bar will sound like this. Let's carry on, low E. Now that shape that we had before now moves up 2, and we have low E, that B played with your first finger, D sharp played with your third, that's played with a B, and that G sharp is played with your E. So we have just like that, and then we move it back to your original shape. Can you see that okay? And the C sharp is played with the A, your F sharp's by itself, and then your first finger moves back to the G sharp to make what looks a bit like an E chord. G sharp, E, B. That E is played with an open B, G sharp again, F sharp, E, D sharp, and back to E. So that bar with the G sharp before it. And our next bar, probably the simplest one in this line, second position, third finger goes on a C sharp, and first finger goes on an A. Then we have open B and E together, G sharp, first finger plays an F sharp, now it goes up to B, and it sounds like this. Open E, and then we have this chord which we play our B on, our A, and a C sharp. So I'll play from bar 14 all the way up to the start of the next line. Now obviously that was a very slow version, but just to play it through and make all the finger changes really accurate. Next section, we start off with our first finger on the G sharp, and we play low E, G sharp, E, E. Then the next bit we decided we'd play our first finger over these 3 strings, F sharp, C sharp, A, F sharp. Then move up into the 5th position and play a bit like a D minor but on the 5th fret. A, F sharp, C sharp. And then move that back to the 4th fret and play G sharp, D sharp, B. So these two bars will sound like this. Now the next bar, very lucky, it's just like the second bar in that line. And this time going down to a low A, E, and then a D sharp all the way up on the 8th fret on your G string. So that's a D sharp, open B, and then an A, which is on your 7th fret on your D string. So we're looking down at bar 22 here, the second bottom line, E, B, A, E, 8th fret, D, open B, and an A. Let's carry on. Second bar of the second last line, we have a low E, G sharp, B, again, that first finger going over the 2nd fret, F sharp, C sharp, A, F sharp, that D minor again, but on the 5th fret, A, F sharp, and C sharp, A, and then we just need to move it up another 2 frets. So we're in 7th position now, again, still with that D minor shape. So if I play those middle 2 bars on the second last line, they'll sound like this. Carrying on, we have A's together, a low A and an A on the 1st string, A, we're in 4th position, down to G sharp. Now there's a mordant, that's what that squiggly line is above the G sharp. It's called a mordant, it's a type of ornament. And what you do is, you very quickly play the G sharp, you hammer onto the A above, and then you pull off back down. So that's G sharp, hammer onto A, and pull off very quickly. So that's F sharp on your B string, it's at the 7th fret, and the low E, or open E. Down into 2nd position, so you get your 1st finger on a B, pinky on a D sharp, these are together, open E, F sharp with your 2nd finger, pinky goes back to D sharp, and then we're going to go to the 2nd time ending and put a 3rd finger onto the C sharp and play that with the open E. Then it's a B, 1st finger A, B, and harmonic, 12th fret, 6th string. I like to use my pinky. Some people like to use the 1st finger. Whatever suits you. I'll use pinky. So that 2nd time bar sounds like this. And we do that same thing again, from like the A's together, B's together, well, B and D sharp, 2nd position, open E, F sharp, D sharp, and open E's, G sharp, B, open E, 2nd position, F sharp, hammers onto G sharp, E, B, last bar, harmonic, 12th fret on your 2nd string, that's a B, and then if you put on your E major chord, play a low E, and then the B and the G sharp together. So, from the second time ending, it sounds like this.